Hypothermia is a condition characterized by an abnormally low body temperature, specifically the cooling of the body's core. It occurs when the body loses more heat than it can generate, causing internal temperatures to drop below 35 degrees Celsius, while normal temperature is around 37 degrees Celsius. This significant drop in temperature affects the body's vital organs, leading to dangerous declines that can eventually lead to death in extreme cases. The early signs of hypothermia can be subtle and easily missed, and the affected individual may not even realize they're experiencing an onset. However, timely recognition and treatment of hypothermia can be highly effective. Hypothermia can result from various forms of heat loss. Convection. This occurs when wind or water passes over the body, carrying heat away. Conduction. This happens when a person sits or lies on a surface that's cold or in water colder than their body temperature. Radiation. This type of heat loss occurs when the surrounding air is cooler than the individual. And finally, evaporation. This happens when sweat or water evaporates from wet skin or clothing, drawing heat away from the body. There are different types of hypothermia depending on the rate at which the body loses heat. Acute or emergent hypothermia occurs when a person loses heat very rapidly, such as after falling into cold water. Exhaustion hypothermia happens when the body is so tired it can no longer generate heat. Chronic hypothermia is characterized by a slow loss of heat over time and is commonly seen in elderly people living in poorly heated environments or individuals sleeping rough. Understanding the causes and types of hypothermia is crucial for preventing an effective treatment. Recognizing the symptoms early and taking appropriate action can save lives and prevent serious consequences of this dangerous condition.